Okay, good morning, dear students. My name is Abu Jihad Ansari, Associate Professor, Department of English, Raspberry Government Adorsho Women's College. Today we are going to read Unit 13, Lesson 1. You see SSC 2022. We are reading for the examination of Higher Secondary Certificate 2022. English first papers, short syllabus, Unit 13, Lesson 1. Unit 13, Lesson 1. Title of the chapter, Food Adulteration. Food Adulteration. Title of the unit, Khadya Bhejal. Food adulteration reaches its new height. Food adulteration reaches its new height. Serial number of classes according to the prescription of short syllabus. According to the prescription of the short syllabus, serial number of classes 72 and 73. So let us go to the synopsis of the passage. Food adulteration, Khadya Bhejal. Food adulteration, Khadya Bhejal. Food adulteration and its consequences is the theme of this lesson. In Bangladesh, it has taken a threatening shape. A recent survey has found that samples of various food items which are collected from different markets of the capital are contaminated with highly poisonous chemicals. These adulterated food items are very risky and dangerous for our health. Almost every person of this sector, from the root level to the top level, are involved in adulteration of the food. They use pesticides to preserve the food for a long time. Besides, they also sell rotten foods. This evil practice has dangerous impact on our health. We need to stop this practice as soon as possible. সারাংশ, খাদ্যে ভেজাল ও এর পরিণতি এই পরিস্থিতি উপযোগ্য বিষয়। বলো। খাদ্যে ভেজাল খাদ্য ও এর পরিণতি এই পরিচ্ছেদের উপযোগ্য বিষয়। বাংলাদেশ একটি ভীতিকর রূপ ধারণ করেছে। এক সাম্প্রতিক সমীক্ষায় জানা গেছে যে রাজধানীর বিভিন্ন বাজার থেকে সংগৃহীত বিচিত্র পদের খাবারের নমুনায় তীব্র বিষাক্ত রাসায়নিক ভেজাল আছে। এসব ভেজাল খাবার আমাদের স্বাস্থ্যের জন্য খুবই ঝুঁকিপূর্ণ ও বিপজ্জনক। এক্ষেত্রে তৃণমূল পর্যায় থেকে শীর্ষ পর্যায় পর্যন্ত প্রত্যেক ব্যক্তি খাদ্য ভেজালকরণের সঙ্গে জড়িত। খাবার দীর্ঘদিন সংরক্ষণ করতে তারা কীটনাশক ব্যবহার করে, পাশাপাশি তারা পচা খাবারও বিক্রি করে। আমাদের স্বাস্থ্যের উপর এই মন্দ কাজের বিপজ্জনক প্রভাব রয়েছে। আমাদের যথাশীঘ্র এই কাজ বন্ধ করা প্রয়োজন। warm up প্রস্তুতিমূলক কাজ। শেয়ার দ্য ফলোয়িং কোশ্চেন্স উইথ ইউর ফ্রেন্ডস। হোয়াট ইজ ফুড অ্যাডাল্ট্রেশন? What is food adulteration? খাদ্যে ভেজাল কি? Student 1 is asking a question. What is food adulteration? খাদ্যে ভেজাল কি? Student 2, food adulteration means making food or drink more attractive and longer lasting by adding or mixing another substance to it. Have you heard the name of pesticides called formalin, which is used as a preservative? তুমি কি have you heard the name of pesticides? তুমি কি ফরমালিন নামে কোনো কীটনাশকের নাম শুনেছো যা সংরক্ষক হিসাবে ব্যবহার করা হয়? ও ইয়েস, নাও ইটস কোয়াইট ফ্যামিলিয়ার টু অ্যাট অল। ও হ্যাঁ, এখন এটি তো সকলের নিকট পরিচিত। স্টুডেন্ট 1, ও হু ডু ইউ থিঙ্ক ইউজেস কেমিক্যাল পেস্টিসাইডস অর ফুড ফ্রুটস? তোমার মতে কারা এই পেস্টিসাইডস ব্যবহার করে? I think dishonest and greedy businessmen and shopkeepers use the chemical pesticides for quick and unearned profit. Now let us go to the text. Unsafe level of pesticides are present in and around half of the vegetables and more than a quarter of fruits sold in the capital's market. A recent survey has found a 50-member team of National Food Safety Laboratory with support from Food and Agricultural Organization FAO came up with the findings after collecting and testing food samples from the capital's Gulshan, Karan Bazar and Mohakhali markets. The survey report, a copy of which was acquired by the Dhaka Tribune, read that nearly 40% of 82 samples of milk products, fish, fruits and vegetables contained banned pesticides such as DDT, Aldrin, and heptachlor. The amounts of pesticides in these samples were found to be 3 to 20 times greater than the limits set by the European Union. Around 50% vegetables and 35% fruits were found to be contaminated with unsafe level of pesticides. Analyzing more than 30 samples of turmeric powder, branded, packaged and open, the team also found that nearly 30% of the samples contain traces of lead bromate, which can be fatal if swallowed or inhaled. These samples also contain lead to 20 to 50 times above the safety limit of 2.5 parts per million set by the Bangladesh Standard Testing Institute. Arsenic and chromium above safety limits were detected in a total of 5 out of 13 rice samples. Using a sensitive high performance liquid chromatography HPLC method developed by the Food Safety Lab, 66 samples were analyzed for the presence of formaldehyde. Adulteration was thereby detected in samples of coriander, mango, and fresh shrimps. The tests indicated that poultry feed in the country had also been contaminated, as samples of chickens and fish contained traces of antibiotics. High microbial populations were found in several samples of pasteurized milk, indicating poor processing procedure by the manufacturers. Samples of cucumber and street foods also showed high microbial populations, suggesting widespread contamination in the water supply. The director of Institute of Public Health told the Dhaka Tribune that the survey report has been submitted to the Health Ministry. Further tests of different products were being carried out at the Food Safety Lab. A former Director General of Health Services and Senior National Advisor of the Food and Agriculture Organization said the findings were shocking for the whole nation. He added that instead of focusing only on the end products, the issue should be addressed at the root level, pointing out that there are 4 steps in the production process. Farmer, transport, wholesale, and the retail trader. He said better monitoring and supervision are mandatory for stopping food adulteration. Adulterated food products are reportedly the cause behind thousands of people suffering from fatal disease like cancer, kidney failure, and heart problems. Health specialists told the Dhaka Tribune that the Ministry of Food had enacted a Food Safety Act but was yet to prepare the necessary rules. As the issue of food safety was also linked to 14 other ministries, a coordinated agency should take responsibility of ensuring safety in food products, they added. Now answer the following question. What does new height refer to? The title of the news report? New height, নতুন মাত্রা. What does food adulteration reaches new height? নতুন মাত্রা. What does new height refer to in the title of the news report? New height means নতুন মাত্রা. Answer. The word, question number A, answer. Question number A. The word new height in the title of the news report refers that in the history of food adulteration, a new discredit had been added. What confirms that even our poultry products are contaminated? Question number B, answer. The traces of antibiotics in the sample of chicken and fish confirm that even our poultry products are contaminated. Many kinds of fatal diseases like cancer, kidney failure, heart problems, etc. are related to adulterated food. Question number B answer. Question number C. What are the health risks related to adulterated food? Many kinds of fatal diseases like cancer, kidney failure, heart problems, etc. are related to the adulterated food. Question number D. What is the current state of Food Safety Act? Though the Ministry of Food enacted the Food Safety Act, it is yet to prepare the necessary rules. With a friend, discuss the observation made by the former Director General of Health Services. It is enough to keep an eye on end products. Make a list of things that you can do to monitor and supervise the production process. Listen. Hope you read and the article on food adulteration reaches new height. Yes, it's shocking. What is your opinion about the observation of the former Director General Health Services? Myself, I had little knowledge about food adulteration, but after reading the observation of former Director General of Health Services, it has become clear about the kind of pesticides which adulterate the food products. I am surprised to know about the amounts of pesticides which is 3 to 20 times, 20 to 50 times greater the limit found in different food sample. A list of things to do for monitoring and supervising the production process. পর্যবেক্ষণ এবং তত্ত্বাবধানে করণীয় কিছু বিষয়ের তালিকা. Creating awareness among the root level who are involved in production process. Number 2, examining the standard of the product after marketing with modern technology. Informing the dishonest businessmen about the Food Safety Act to discourage them not to do this heinous crime. Write a letter to the editor of a national daily pointing out the problems of food adulteration in your locality, or write a response to the news item published in Dhaka Tribune. To the answer to the editor, Bangladesh Times, Dhaka. Sir, I shall be highly obliged if you please publish the following letter in your esteemed daily. I remain, sir, yours truly, X. Food adulteration. Food adulteration is not only a nuisance but also a great danger to the people. In our areas, in the hotels and restaurants, stale and rotten foods are mixed with fresh food and served to the customers. Fish and vegetables are adulterated by adding chemicals and other preservatives to make them look fresh. Even fruits, milk and beverages are adulterated. So, in view of the seriousness of this problem, I would request the authorities concerned to take necessary measures to put an end to this hazard. This is the passage about food adulteration reaches new height. খাদ্যে ভেজালের নতুন মাত্রা. Okay, thank you. Thank you everybody.